Welcome to new car update in the ever-evolving landscape of luxury sedans. The 2025 Kia K900 emerges as a testament to innovation and sophistication. This flagship model from Kia seamlessly blends performance, design, and technology, setting new benchmarks in the automotive industry. At first glance, the 2025 Kia K900 captivates with its redesigned exterior. The front fascia showcases an enlarged radiator grille adorned with horizontal slats, replacing the previous V-shaped elements. This change imparts a more commanding and refined presence on the road. Complementing the grille are newly designed 19-inch wheels that enhance the vehicle's stance, while the introduction of the Pebble Gray body color adds a touch of modern elegance. Stepping inside, the K900 offers an interior that epitomizes luxury and comfort. New color themes, such as Martian brown and Misty gray, provide a fresh ambience, catering to diverse aesthetic preferences. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with premium materials, ensuring that every journey is a pleasurable experience. Technological advancements are at the forefront of the 2025 K900's appeal. The vehicle now features after-blow technology, designed to dry condensation in the air conditioning system, preventing unpleasant odors and mold growth. This system activates automatically after the engine has been off for about 30 minutes, running for 10 minutes to ensure a fresh cabin environment. Additionally, the inclusion of USB-C ports in both front and rear ensures that passengers remain connected, catering to modern connectivity needs. Performance remains a key focus for Kia. The 2025 K900 continues to offer rear and all-wheel drive options, powered by either a turbocharged 3.3-liter or a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 engine. Notably, the previously available 5.0-liter V8 engine has been discontinued, aligning with contemporary trends towards more efficient powertrains. Safety and convenience are paramount in the K900's design philosophy. The front passenger seat now boasts a massaging function, elevating comfort during long drives. Furthermore, the addition of a fire extinguisher underscores Kia's commitment to passenger safety, addressing potential emergencies proactively. However, it's important to note that the 2025 Kia K900, known as the K9 in its home market, is currently available exclusively in South Korea. Despite its global appeal and advanced features, Kia has not announced plans to release this model in other markets at this time. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia K900 stands as a beacon of luxury, innovation, and thoughtful engineering. While its availability is limited to the Korean market, its features and design serve as a testament to Kia's dedication to advancing automotive excellence. For those who have the opportunity to experience it, the K900 offers a harmonious blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, embodying the future of luxury sedans.